Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk to you modern patio design ideas. A well-designed patio is like an outdoor sanctuary, offering a space for relaxation, socializing, and enjoy nature. Imagine it is an extension of your home, providing breath of fresh air and a connection to the outdoors. Modern design plays a crucial role in transforming these space, bring a contemporary touch that aligning with current aesthetic. It is not just about functionality, it is about creating an atmosphere that reflects your style and enhance the overall outdoor experience. Whether it is sleek furniture, innovative lighting, or an minimalistic, discover the charm of minimalistic patio design that effortlessly elevate outdoor space. Picture a screen environment achieved thought, clean lines, nature colors, and strength forward furniture choice contributing to the sophisticated aesthetic. Option for simplicity does not mean signifying style. In fact, it's the nature beauty of your patio. Imagine sleek, uncluttered lines gliding the eyes with natural tones create a clamping atmosphere. Choose uncomplicated furniture that complements the overall design, portraying an elegant and modern feel. This approach not only simplify maintenance but also allow the beauty of the outdoors to take center stage. Minimalistic patio design is about embracing simplicity to create a timeless and visual pleasing outdoor retreat. Transform your patio with furniture that adapts to any space. Choose multi-purpose pieces that work seamlessly in both small and large areas, providing flexibility and functionality. Option for weather resistance materials like durable wickers or metals to withstand elements and ensure long-lasting use. Weather-resistant wickers combine style with durability, making it a great choice for outdoor furniture. Metal options such as aluminum or stainless steel offer an modern look while being sturdy and resistant to rust. By selecting furniture designed for versatility and crafted from recycled materials, you not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your patio but also invest in pieces that endorse the challenges of outdoor living, giving you a stylish and durable outdoor space. Illuminate your patio with creative lighting ideas that elevate the ambience. Consider string lights for a charming and whimsical touch, creating a warm and living atmosphere. Solar powered lanterns provide an eco-friendly option, harnessing sunlight during the day to cast a soft glow at night. LED fixture offer versatility, allowing you to customize the color and intensity, enhancing the mood of your outdoor space. Whether you prefer a romantic setting or vibrant granting, these lighting options cater to diverse performance experiment with combination to find this perfect blend that complement your modern patio design. By incorporating these lighting elements, you not only add visual appeal but also extend the visibility of your patio into the evening hours, creating a magical outdoor experience for everyone to enjoy. Enhancing your patio with nature touch is easily and enjoyable. Start by adding potted plants which bring vibrant colors and a lovely atmosphere to your outdoor space. Consider creating a vertical gardening using wall mounted planters or shelf saving floor space while adding a lush green backdrop. These vertical gardens not only look stunning but also maximize The use of limited space embrace natural materials like wooden furniture or stone accent to create an earthy and refreshing ambience. These elements not only connect your patio to the surrounding environment but also providing a soothing and inviting atmosphere. By incorporating these simple nature inspired ideas, you will transform your patio into a treated where you can relax and enjoy these outdoors. Modernizing your patio for comfort involves embracing smart technology. Imagine longing in your outdoor space with these convenience of smart outdoor speakers, creating delightful ambience with your favorite tunes. Weather resistance screens providing a seamlessly way to enjoy movies or shows under the open sky, adding a touch of entertainment for ultimate relaxation. Automated shading styles offering control over sunlighting and shaded adapting to your preference effectively. These environments not only enhance comfortable but also elevate the overall experience of your patio. So whether you are hosting a gathering or enjoying a quiet evening, integrating these technological marvels, ensuring your outdoor space is not just stylish but also heaven of modern convenience. Transform your patio on a budget is easy with these practical DIY ideas. First, repurposing old furniture by giving it a fresh coating of paint or adding new cushions for a stylish update. Create DIY planter using recycled materials like old containers, tires, or wooden pallets. This not only adds a personal touch but also promote sustainability. Option for affordable decor option such as second hand find, thrift store treasures, or handmade craft. By embracing these budget friendly tips, you can achieve a trendy and inviting patio space without breaking the bank. So get creative and make the most want you have for a wallet friendly outdoor oasis. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more informative videos.